Hey, here, hold this. Let me go out there so you can see. You don't have to touch anything. Just keep it focused on